Here's some artifacts of Greece trivia. Subscribe. What famous statue was removed from the Parthenon? Is it A. Elgin marbles, B. Venus de Milo, C. Liberty Bell, or D. David statue? The correct answer is A. Elgin marbles. Which ancient Greek temple is dedicated to Athena? Is it A. Temple of Apollo, B. Temple of Artemis, C. Parthenon, or D. Temple of Zeus? The correct answer is C. Parthenon. Which artifact is a famous decorative plate from ancient Greece? Is it A. Lyre, B. Kylix, C. Ostracon, or D. Amphora? The correct answer is B. Kylix. What was the common name for the ancient Greek coin? Is it A. drachma, B. denarius, C. talon, or D. pound? The correct answer is A. drachma. Name the large stone structure in Mycenae. Is it A. Lion Gate, B. Acropolis, C. Colosseum, or D. Great Wall? The correct answer is A. Lion Gate. What type of pottery is known for its black figure style? Is it A. Bakia, B. Majolica, C. Earthenware, or D. Raku? The correct answer is A. Bakia. What is the name of the ancient Greek writing tablet? Is it A. parchment leaf, B. wax tablet, C. papyrus scroll, or D. stone tablet? The correct answer is B. wax tablet. What ancient object is used for divination by the Greeks? Is it A. oracle, B. sphinx, C. astrolabe, or D. crystal ball? The correct answer is A. oracle. Name the Bronze Age artifact related to the Minoans. Is it A. fresco of Pompeii, B. Cycladic statue, C. Knossos fresco, or D. Egyptian hieroglyphics? The correct answer is C. Knossos fresco. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.